Welcome to Lesson 3 in Unit 20, A Playground for All. In this lesson, students will work to answer the question, how can we make things move faster on a playground? In this lesson, students think about how to get things to move faster on the playground. They investigate the relationship between energy and speed through the motion of a pullback toy car. Students figure out that the faster a given object is moving, the more energy it possesses. They make connections to the storyline by discussing how objects that can move faster on a playground make them more fun for kids. There are several opportunities for ELA and math cross-curricular connections throughout the lesson. You can look for specific standard connections in the Unit 20 Teacher Guide. This lesson will take approximately 3 days to complete. For the Engage portion, you'll take students outside to the playground area. You'll find a piece of equipment and try to make it move faster. If you cannot go outside, show students this video of a child playing on a spring rocker. You'll then ask students what they notice and what parts of the playground are the most fun. They'll turn and talk to discuss how they can make the playground more fun. Then you'll revisit the driving question board and highlight any questions connected to the learning goals of this lesson by calling attention to questions about how we can make things move faster on a playground. For the Explore portion, you'll divide your students into 6 groups and give each group a pullback car, a measuring tape, and a half-meter stick. Each group will need about 8 to 10 feet of space on the floor to test their cars. After demonstrating how the pullback cars work, you'll give groups time to play and explore the cars. Then, have students use the Pull Car Investigation Student Journal page to carry out the investigation. For the Explain portion, you'll bring the class together and lead a discussion about the students' observations from the investigation. You'll use the provided questions to guide your discussion around the question, how can we make things move faster on a playground? The goal of this discussion is to analyze student observations and discover the relationship between speed and energy. You'll use the discussion to create the Lesson 3 summary chart. From the discussion, students should understand that energy affects how fast playground equipment moves. For example, a merry-go-round that is pushed with a greater force will move faster because it has more energy transferred to it. During the Explain discussion, you'll have students watch a video about how the pullback car mechanism works. And you'll post the speed vocabulary card. You'll also have students continue the Pull Car Investigation Student Journal page. For the Elaborate portion, you'll revisit the video of a child playing on a spring rocker. And complete the summary chart discussion by asking students questions about energy transfer on the playground. For the Evaluate portion, you'll go to the PhET Skate Park simulation. Then have students observe the skater's motion and complete the Moving Faster Quick Check Student Journal page. To support student sense-making across the unit, orient them back to the driving question board. Ask, what did we learn about how to make things move faster on a playground? And do we have any new questions to add to our driving question board? By the end of this lesson, students will have used evidence to construct an explanation relating the energy of an object to its speed. In Lesson 4, students will investigate the force of friction and how it can cause objects to slow down. For more information about this unit, visit myscipartners.com.